everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is another tutorial for It's Always Been You by Phil. So grab your uke and make sure it's in standard tuning, G, C, E, A. And for this song we only need 4 chords. So we have D, we have A, B minor, and G. So, sa verse, ang gagamitin nating chord is the same. And for the strumming pattern is down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Again. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So for the slow-mo, we have down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Go to A, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So for the intro, ang chord progression natin ay D, A, B minor, and G with the same strumming pattern. So for the verse of the song, we have the same arrangement of the chords and the same strumming pattern. So let's do it with me saying the chords. So we have the you saw me first, A, you let me in when I was at my B minor first, G, the moment when I heard you say my D name. A, it's the first time in so long I'm not a B minor afraid. G, afraid. So let's do it again without me saying the chords. You saw me first, you let me in when I was at my worst. The moment when I heard you say my name. It's the first time in so long I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. So for the chorus, we're going to use the same arrangement of the chords and the same strumming pattern. So for the chorus, let's do it without me saying the chords kasi pare-parehas lang naman from the intro verse, chorus, second verse, and post-chorus, and with the bridge. So for the chorus, you are the voice that calms the storm inside me, castle walls that stand around me. All this time my guardian was you. So you are the light that shines in every tunnel. There in the past, you'll be there tomorrow. All my life was breaking through. For the post-chorus, we have the same arrangement of the chords and the same strumming pattern. We have the A, B minor, and G. So for the post-chorus, we have It's Always Been You. It's always been you. Northern star. So this is the verse 2. Your love will be the comfort of my heart. Oh, I just want to be right where you are. Right where you are. So sa verse, the chords D, A, B minor, G, D, and A. Mag-e-end na tayo sa chord ng A. For the bridge, we're going to use the same arrangement of the chords and the same strumming pattern, but we're going to cut yung strumming patterns into 2. So we have A. So this is for the bridge. So we have A. Who stood with B minor? D in the fire, G. It was D. You. It was you who pulled me out of the water. G. It was D. It was always you. And yun. So again, let's do it without me saying the chord. Who stood with me in the fire? It was you. It was always you who pulled me out of the water. It was you. It was always you who carried me on their shoulders. It was you. It was always you. After the bridge, babalik lang tayo sa chorus and then post-chorus and doon na tayo mag-i-end. So, let's do it without me saying the chords. You are the voice that calms the storm inside me. Castle walls that stand around me all this time. My guardian was you. Okay, after the bridge, tas pag pupunta tayo sa chorus, we're just going to use down strum. And then, babalik tayo sa strumming pattern. Sa lyrics na you are the light that shines in every tunnel. You are the light in every tunnel. There in the past, you'll be there tomorrow. All my life was breaking through. It's always been you. It's always been you. It's always been you. It's always been you. Okay, so that is our ukulele tutorial for our song It's Always Been You by Phil. So if you have any question, you can comment down below. And yun lang, sana may natutunan po kayo and God bless. Thank you po.